Guys, in this video we are going to see an example on how to use a summing amplifier. Here we have the input voltages and accompanying resistance are provided. We have V1 is equal to 4 voltage, V2 is equal to 3 voltage, V3 is equal to 2 voltage, and also we have the R1, R2, R3, and also we have the feedback resistance provided, that is this resistance, okay, that is 6000. And to find the voltage output for a summing amplifier, we use this equation. If you want to know how did we derive this equation, you can watch my previous video. I have explained how did we derive this one. Now we can directly use this equation to find out the output voltage. Now let's go ahead and plug the values. Okay, first we have minus feedback resistance is 6000 divided by R1, that is equal to 3000, times V1, that is 4. Okay, and then the next one is going to be 6000 divided by R2, that is 6000, and that one is multiplied by V2. V2 is equal to 3. Let's avoid unit for now, because if I put unit I have to put it for everything. Okay, 3. And the next one is RF, that is 6000 divided by R3, that is 2000, multiplied by V3, that is 2 voltage. Okay, now let's simplify this one. For the first one we are going to have 2 times 4, that's equal to 8, so this is going to be 8, plus 1 times 3, that's going to be just 3, and then 3 times 2, that's going to be 6. So 8 plus 3 is 11, 11 plus 6 is 17. So we are going to get minus 17 voltage as our output voltage. And that's how we do this kind of problems. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.